Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look down south at the Dakota Magic Skycam, where even those winds are fairly calm, as those winds have not been all that strong today. Now, we have some first alert weather days coming up tomorrow and on Wednesday, as yet another round of snow is going to be making its way in, despite it being officially spring. Now, currently, though, here in Fargo, we have sunny skies, 15 degrees. Those winds are out of the north at 10 miles an hour, making it feel like it's 3 across the river in Moorhead. It's 9 degrees over there. And a look at the satellite and radar shows those clear skies for most of us, some partly cloudy skies down in Lakes Country, and that's really all there is to note. And those temperatures across the area, much warmer for folks in Lakes Country, where those temperatures are in the mid to upper 20s. Out west, we're seeing those temperatures in the teens for most there. Now, as we move through the remainder of the afternoon, we're going to continue seeing those clouds build ahead of that snow that's going to be making its way in. Those easterly winds directing toward that low pressure system that's going to be moving in from the west. And as we head off to bed tonight, we're going to see some fully cloudy skies, overcast for everybody, and those temperatures right around 10 degrees, a little warmer for folks in Lakes Country, a little cooler out west. Now, as we move into that morning period tomorrow about 7:30. That snow is outside of our area, but it's going to be making its way closer and closer. We're going to start seeing those earliest flakes during the early afternoon period for folks in our far western counties, and by that evening commute, we could see some issues for folks down south in the James River Valley. As that heavy snow, pay attention to where these purple colors move through. They're going to push their way through the I-29 corridor in southern North Dakota and continue its way through Lakes Country. Here we are at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, we could see some mixed precipitation thrown in there too, maybe a couple raindrops, as well as temperatures will be fairly warm, but we're really paying attention to that snow. Up in the north, though, things are a little bit calmer, but still they're going to be seeing snow at that point too. Now, tomorrow, Wednesday morning, 1 a.m. here, the heaviest of the snow making its way out to the east, almost done with those purple colors, but we're still seeing some pretty heavy snowfall after that. Now, by that Wednesday morning commute, most of the snow should be out of here, just impacting our far northeastern communities, Lake of the Woods County included, and by the time we start headed out the door about 7:30, we should see most of that snow gone. Still, though, those overcast skies and temperatures right around 20 degrees for most of us. And by the time we start thinking about lunch on Wednesday, we should be done with that snow, maybe a couple flurries for folks in the south. Now, there's a big swath of potential for 6 to 8 inches of snow, and an even bigger swath for that 3 to 6 range up to the northwest, maybe a little less snow for folks up in the Devil's Lake Basin, about 1 to 3 inches for folks there. Now, tomorrow morning we'll wake up, things will be pretty chilly, temperatures around 10 degrees, some cloudy skies, and tomorrow afternoon when that snow is starting to pick up, we're going to see those temperatures around 20. Now, here in Fargo tomorrow, we're going to see those temperatures again, pretty chilly, 13 degrees, work our way up to near 30 before that snow starts. And then, even though today is the first day of spring, we're seeing those first alert weather days for that snow. And after that snow, though, we're going to see those temperatures hover right around freezing for the foreseeable future, maybe a degree or two on one side or the other of that freezing line. And then way off in the distance, we're looking at more snow on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So that snow continues.
Ooh.
Yes.
But with the first day of spring today, kind of just gives you the mindset to...
We should be getting better.
Yes, hopefully.
Yep.
Thank you, Jim.